Hit the sack. Hit the sack means to go to bed or go to sleep. Let's look at some example sentences. I worked for 10 hours today, so I'm going to hit the sack early. All right, everyone, it's past midnight. Time for me to hit the sack. See you in the morning. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. After the long road trip, everyone went to bed as soon as they reached the hotel. After the long road trip, everyone hit the sack as soon as they reached the hotel. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.